Hi, class. This is Rich with Dowiak, and yeah, just excited to start a new class. My experience with people with diagnosis is I was a residential counselor at a hospital, so I got to see a lot of people. We had 50 people we had to take care of, like monitor medications and so forth. So I've seen a lot of different scenarios and cases and different things we had to go over with their cases. So we got to know them and their diagnosis and things like that. I was also a job counselor helping people with psychiatric disabilities get jobs. So it made us more conscious and aware of the process and getting their diagnosis from doctors to make sure they're eligible for our services. And I was also an ICMS caseworker where we help people who get out of the hospital get back on their feet, linking them to services who have psychiatric disabilities. So I'm pretty familiar uh, with cases and people with that. Um, as far as diagnosing people, it could be tricky because whether to decide whether it might be a personality thing, just like a short-term occurrence, if someone's just going through something versus just like a definitive, this is what the person has. So one thing you can do is observe someone, look for patterns over a period of time, and then make a more accurate assessment is what I find helpful. Not sure if the DSM-5 covers everything. I think it's a good guide, like a good starting point. And yeah, I personally never diagnosed anyone, but I gave input to managers and to doctors in team meetings where we discussed different clients and what we thought we should do for them in terms of a plan. Um, yeah, I would give my assessment about what I observed with certain clients and just gave my input accordingly. And yeah, that's pretty much it regarding my experience with diagnosing or assisting with it and my observations with it. Thanks.